The first slither of dawn peeked through your curtains, painting a soft glow on your eyelids. You stirred, not with the usual grogginess, but with a gentle awareness. Today felt different. As you sat up, you noticed the quiet hum of the world awakening, a gentle invitation to join the dance of life. Instead of reaching for your phone, you paused. You placed your feet firmly on the ground and closed your eyes. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Feel the connection to the earth beneath you. To the air around you. To the life within you. This is your moment. This is your day. Let's begin with intention, with gratitude, and with the unwavering belief in your own power. Repeat these affirmations slowly, with feeling, allowing each one to resonate within you. I am grateful for this new day and all the possibilities it holds. I am filled with energy, vitality, and enthusiasm. I am confident and capable of achieving my goals. I attract positivity, abundance, and joy into my life. I am worthy of love, happiness, and success. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. I embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. I radiate kindness, compassion, and understanding. I am strong, resilient, and capable of overcoming any obstacle. I am the creator of my own reality, and I choose to make it beautiful. Take one last deep breath, carrying the power of these affirmations with you throughout your day. Open your eyes with a smile, ready to embrace all that awaits you. The world is your canvas, and you are the artist. Go and create something amazing. I'm Rose.